Okay, one more example for you. So this problem, we don't know the value of any of the variables yet. So before we start, we have to solve for a variable. So x or y, it doesn't matter. You can solve for this y, this x, this y. I noticed that x looks like the easiest one because it's already by itself, so I don't have to do any dividing for this one. So I'm going to solve for that x. Any of the variables will work. I'm just choosing the easiest one. So first step is to solve for that variable. So x minus right, equals 11. And to get our x alone, we're just going to add 3y to both sides. And that gives us x is equal to, the 3y's cancel out, 11 plus 3y. Okay, so that's the first step. We have one of our variables. Now the second step is going to be to plug that variable into the other equation. So again, the other equation is the second step. Other equation is 5y minus 5x equals negative 5. And we can't solve that yet because we have two variables. But we now know that x is the same as 11 plus 3y. So we're going to rewrite this and we're going to substitute 11 plus 3y for x. So 5y stays the same, minus 5. What's our x now? Our x is this 11 plus 3y. So I'm going to put that in parentheses because we're going to have to multiply by the entire expression. And that should still be equal to negative 5. So the only thing that changed from here to here is this x was substituted with that 11 plus 3y. So now I'm going to go ahead and solve that. 5y, and then negative 5 times 11 is negative 55. Negative 5 times 3y is negative 15y. Okay, that's equal to negative 5. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my algebra to continue to simplify this. I've got a 5y minus a 15y would be negative 10y minus 55. Okay, so I just combined these two terms. Left the negative 55 there, that's equal to negative 5. Okay, we're working to get that y alone, so we're going to add 55 to both sides. That gives us negative 10y, because those cancel out, equals negative 5 plus 55 is 50. Divide by negative 10, divide by negative 10, and y is equal to negative 5. Okay, now we just want to plug that back in to make sure it works. I'm sorry, I skipped a step. We want to actually find the second variable. Okay, so we now know that y is equal to negative 5y, or we think it is. So I'm going to plug that into the first equation to solve for the other variable. Okay, so we have x minus 3. What's our y now? Our y is negative 5. That's equal to 11. So x negative 3 times negative 5 would be positive 15. That's equal to 11. Okay, subtract 15 from both sides, and we get x is equal to negative 4. Okay, so our solution then should be negative 4, negative 5. Okay, I'm just going to go back over here and I'm going to check that just to make sure it's correct. Okay, so it should work for either equation. So I'll just do the second equation, 5y minus 5x equals negative 5. And 5, what's our y value? Our y is that negative 5. Minus 5, what's our x value? Our x value is negative 4. And that should give us negative 5 if we get everything correct. 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. Negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. And that gives us our negative 5. So it does in fact check out.